Hello friend, today we are studying Cage Culture Part 2 BSc First Year Paper number 3 Unit number 1 by Rohini Sudhakar Chauhan NES Science College Nanded. Shapes of cage. Cage is generally enclosed all side except an opening at the top for feeding and handling of a fish stock. Cage may be round, square or rectangular in shape. Round cage with a cylindrical net supported by the circle-shaped support frame are most used for sea cage culture in India. Tube-shaped rectangular square cage used in reservoirs. Size of cage. Fish culture reservoir can be vary but often multiply unit is installed as a battery of cage. A cage of a dimension of a 6 meter into 4 meter into 4 meter is mostly considered. Standard unit and battery compresses 6, 12 and 24 such cage are per requirement. Cage in a battery are arranged in a caterpillar design for a better exchange of water, thereby facilitating relative high dissolved oxygen. Cage structure and design are shown in a figure. Different type of shape and design and with different type of material it is made up of. These are the some more designed for a cage. Cage material. From which material cage is made? Durable, stable, cage material are essential for achieving the better result. Cage compresses hard frame and as a support and nylon netting as a cage body. Material should be environmental friendly. HACCP protocol compliant. Rust free material for cage fabrication. Commonly used material for cage frame are bamboos. Material mid steel MS, galvanized iron GI, polyvinyl chloride PVC, virgin grade HDPE high density polyethylene. The bamboo used frame are not recommended for a commercial cage fish farming due to their poor longevity and strength of understand turbulence. Principle of a cage culture. Site selection. Water depth. Cage site need a water depth at least 5 to 10 meters round in a year. 3 to 4 meter depth will be always need for a cage bottom to flow the water body. Water and wind. Wave and wind. Avoid a strong wind, wave, current, river, canal and reservoir. Water current. River, reservoir 28 to 50 centimeter per second. Wave longer 2 meter. Fresh fish seed availability. Cage maintenance. There is a essential of a cage maintenance. Anti-corrosive paint should be applied to prevent the rusting to increase the durability. Cage should be cleaned at a 15-day interval to avoid net clogging. Physiochemical parameter of water should be recorded regularly as a part of a water quality monitoring. Water quality parameter. Dissolved oxygen 4 to 6 mg per liter. Temperature 25 to 30 degrees Celsius. Salinity less than 0.5 ppt depend on the species. pH 6.5 to 8.5. NH 3.5 mg per I. Others. Sandy bottom is preferred. Avoid the acidic and red tide water. Easy for transport, electricity, nearby feed source and market. Thank you.